Hello, everyone. I'm Varshini Maria, and I'm a counseling psychologist. I was a part of CCS Academy and graduated from the 66th batch. And ever since then, I have improved in my counseling journey. And I have today started my counseling psychology center. So I have started my private practice and gained confidence when CCS Academy has helped me to crack and gain confidence. CCS Academy has been my biggest motivation and helped me inculcate a lot of skills and go through the whole learning curve. So today I run my private practice and I am proud to be a graduate of CCS Academy. We have Karthik sir, Karthik Lakshmanan sir, with us in our midst today. And sir has almost 15 years of experience and expertise in the field of counseling psychology. Sir is one of the top counseling psychologists in Chennai. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, so how did you get into the field of psychology?
I randomly went into psychology in the beginning, but later got very much interested. And now I'm a counseling psychologist. I had a paper in my UG related to psychology. Later, I joined this MSc Counseling Psychology in Madras Club Social Work and MPhil Psycho-Oncology from Cancer Institute. I completed. I passed state eligibility test in psychology, and I went to my own college to teach my students. Yeah, I have been a part-time private practitioner for a long time. And in my 8th year of career, I came to full-time private practice. And things are going really well, right?
Sir, so what do you think is the most important aspect of counseling education? Is it theory or practical or a combination of both?
Okay. So I would say it is practicals because theory is nothing but practice. When people write whatever they have practiced, and when we read it, it looks like theory, but it is actually practice, right? When we read it, we won't be able to get the practical aspects of it, so we call it as theory. So mainly it is all practicals. So when you read it, it may look like theory to you. So when you practice, you will understand how things are working, and then we will make some changes in the way we do while comparing with others. Then the theory changes.
So, Karthik sir, as observed in the field of medicine, where professors are people who also practice, how can we inculcate that in the field of counseling psychology, sir? Please share a few insights.
Yes, people tell me there is a wide gap between theory and practice if you take the field of counseling. I would say that gap is because people who are practicing do not teach counseling. So, who practice, they don't generally teach counseling because they are busy in practice. And people who teach, they don't have the time to practice. That's what they say. And here in CCS Academy, we are the counselors practicing, and we are meeting clients almost every day. And we teach counseling in the way that we practice. If you follow this methodology, so whoever teaches should be practicing counseling, or whoever practices counseling, and if that person is going to teach, then there won't be any gap between theory and practice. So, Varshini, how did you come across CCS Academy? Where did you find this, and how you joined? Please share us the journey.
That was an incredible kind of an outlook towards CCS Academy, sir. So, I was on to Google and I wanted to do a diploma course in counseling psychology. And I checked up to courses which were available in Chennai, as Chennai is my hometown. So I wanted to do it in Chennai. And I saw CCS Academy to be on the topmost and also included counseling and psychotherapy, sir. So I knew that I can expect to learn a few therapies, which brought me here. And ever since then, the experience has been really good from the start of the journey till the end, till the completion and the farewell. You have been supportive, sir, along with Shrija ma'am and the other faculties who were there to monitor us, give us personal training, and also counsel us. And we also became counselors within each other, which gave us so much of confidence to start our career in counseling psychology and to also start our private practice. So that was a really incredible decision that I had made to join CCS Academy in my career path, sir.
Yes, yes. In Google, people have given good reviews. All our students, around 70 batches we have now completed, and all of them have given good review. I think because of that, it popped up as the first one for you. And I guess you have read those reviews.
So yes, there are 1,000+ reviews which have been given to CCS Academy, and it is all amazing. Looking at it, you would know that the students who have learned here in CCS Academy have now started their private practice, or they are working in places as a counseling psychologist. CCS Academy helps you gain confidence and expertise in your career. There are so many students from other fields other than psychology. How does CCS Academy help all these students excel in the field of counseling psychology? And how do we make it so simplified that it is one material for all?
Yeah, we have got courses for people without psychology background too. Initially, we started the courses only for people with psychology background, but later, a lot of people without psychology background, they had got interested in counseling and psychology. They wanted to learn it. Then we started a separate batch stating, we will give them basic psychology training, and then I will bring them to counseling. But many a times, what happened whenever we start a batch for non-psychology people, psychology people wanted to join that timing, and similarly vice versa. So we thought of putting them together, and it is really working well. And we have simplified counseling and also psychology very much. And so people without psychology background, only for 1 or 2 days, they will find it Greek and Latin. From the third day, they are able to pick up. So people without psychology background can join the course, and they can learn counseling very easily. We have simplified all the concepts so that anybody can understand. See, we are going to talk to clients, and the clients should be able to understand. So they are not going to have any counseling or psychology background. So we simplified to that level so that anybody can understand psychology. So psychology is a wonderful subject, and I want everybody to learn it. So we have simplified it to a great extent, and I hope people without psychology background can also excel like people with psychology background.
How do you see technology taking over the field of counseling psychology? Is online counseling here to stay, or is it just a trend, sir?
Online counseling has been a trend from COVID time, and I think it will stay for ever because people don't have to travel to the counselor's place, and the counseling sessions can happen on time. So if you take Chennai, metro work is happening, and there are a lot of traffic diversions, one ways. So it is easy for the client to immediately start the counseling session, and the counselors are also going to be at home, or if you take our counselors, they are in office, and they are going to start the counseling session as usual, and it is more convenient for the clients, I would say. And coming to this AI, this artificial intelligence and all, people think artificial intelligence will take away counselor's job. It can never happen because artificial intelligence cannot provide empathy like a human being provides. And we are going to look at the emotions of the clients. AI can never replace. So we need more and more counselors, and the awareness is slowly picking up. And things are doing well if you compare with my time, how I started the counseling practice 15 years before.
Yes, sir. So, Karthik, sir, how unique is the CCS Academy training that it helps students grow, which is a cornerstone of the CCS Academy experience?
Right. There are a lot of courses and training available in the field, right? So when it comes to our CCS Academy, we provide a lot of practical aspects here. We do counseling sessions, real counseling sessions. First 3 or 4 counseling sessions, I or the facilitators will do, and people can observe. Then they'll start doing counseling sessions under our supervision. So since it is integrative approach, we are not going to be very strict about how counseling should be done. We will give a general guideline methodology, and they can create their own style. And we are not going to stick to only 1 or 2 approaches. We integrate 10 approaches. So 1 or 2 approaches will be difficult for the beginners to learn, but other approaches would be easy. We have seen that, and they are able to create their own style of counseling. And through easy integration model, it is possible to help the clients in lesser amount of time. Within 1 or 2 sessions, they'll be able to get a lot of clarity. So in India, we say the first session is probably the last session, and they may not come for so many counseling sessions like you see in the West. And here I prepare the material, and based on my experience, I modify the material. Almost every other batch, we modify the material according to the things happening. And this is really, really Indian based model. Okay. And which is suitable for Indians, not only clients and also for the counselors to pick it up and help the clients in lesser amount of time.